Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's shopping episode, I'm so excited. Everyone has been asking questions about this end of season sale. So I have just received a text message from SSI. SSI is a reseller and the one who is carrying different luxury brands here in the Philippines such as Loewe, Bottega, Givenchy, Prada, YSL, and many more. So I'm going to put the photo details here of their sale, and of course we have to check it out in person and see what beautiful bags they have right now. So for our first episode of this end of season sale, we are going to check out beautiful bags from Loewe. So guys, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, our next stop is we are going to check out Loewe. So let us check out the end of season sale here at Loewe, located at Elsa Shangri-La Mall. So first we have here for 172k. Guys, this is the Paseo bag. So this is the newer version of the Loewe bag that I am currently carrying. What do you think? So this one now comes with zipper. I really love the very smooth leather. So this one we have for 88,500. So we have a vertical tote bag. So this is the same size as the mini vertical tote bag that I'm loving at Celine. But this one, of course, I feel is way better because number one, it's made of genuine leather. And by the way, guys, it's part of the sale. Just like this very beautiful puzzle bag. So part of the sale price is 175k. What do you think of this very beautiful light blue or sky blue color? So again, all of these are part of sale. So we have the micro puzzle bag, then we have the regular size ones, then we have of course the vertical totes over here. Then here we have for 133k we have the mini puzzle bag. Apologies that my camera at this point was acting out, that's why it was posted like this. Then of course for 118k, if I'm not mistaken, the name of this bag is the Flamenco bags. As you could see, it comes with a leather shoulder strap, and you could tighten this one like a Louis Vuitton Neon way. So again, this is the bigger size for 113k. What do you think of this very beautiful light violet color? So just showing here again the price of this very beautiful bag. Then this one, it looks like a saddle bag. I'm not really sure of the name of this one. So guys, if you are familiar, please leave us a comment so we would know. So how beautiful the guitar canvas strap is. Here we have the large vertical tote bag for 148k. So it comes in this very beautiful black color, and it comes with the caramel color as well. So initially I was thinking that it's only 98k and I was ready to purchase, but the CA corrected me, so the correct price is 148k for this black version and the caramel version that I've shown earlier. What do you think of this one? So I can't remember, but I feel that this one also comes with a strap, so you could carry this as a long shoulder or as a crossbody bag. So again, still just trying it on. You know me guys, I'm still obsessed of owning a bag of this size. Oh there, so it comes with a strap, so I believe it's fully detachable, so you could carry it like this. And this is the caramel version. How beautiful the color is. So same price, 148k. Yes, it does have the Loewe logo in front, but I feel because it's monochromatic, it's not really too shouty. Plus, you could carry it backwards. What do you think? So we have here the smaller vertical tote. So we have the raffia version, price is 78k. So let me try the black one here with the white Loewe font logo. What do you think of this one, guys? Is anyone a fan of raffia totes in our fam here? If you are, guys, please do comment down below how is the wear and tear from your collection. Here I am trying the natural color, same price, 78k. Here we have more beautiful eye candies. Then here we have the hammock bag. So I'm just showing you the sale price, 134k. So here is how it is worn. So as you could see, this the very beautiful, it's like an Hermes orange color, and if I'm not mistaken, the hardware is the same matte orange color as well. What do you think of this one? I'm just afraid with the hardware because it might chip off in the future. As I have confirmed with the CA, he mentioned that sometimes it's unavoidable. If the hardware is also of the same color, there is a good chance that it might chip off as a natural wear and tear of the bag. So here are more sale bags at the Loewe store. So we have large tote bags over here. I love the braided top handle. Beautiful caramel color. So this one, 175k. A large flamenco bag, and as you could see, I'm carrying it with the large or the leather shoulder strap. Here we have the smaller vertical tote bag. I am so in love with this delicious caramel color. So I'm trying to compare it with my micro Prada bag over here. Obsessing on this one. So definitely this is bigger than my petite sac plat. I think it's really the same size as the Celine one, so definitely you could fit a lot more. Here for 161k, it is like a saddle bag version of Loewe, and it comes with this very beautiful thick guitar canvas strap. So more sale bags and eye candies for you. So we have here the hammock bags in this very beautiful pastel colors. We have belt bags over here. We have like the saddle bag, and of course we have the puzzle bag. Here we have the Amazonia bag, if I'm not mistaken. How beautiful the color and the shiny gold padlock that it comes with. Then we have here a hammock bag that's part of the sale. So we have here the price. Here is when it's worn. So sale price is 120,400. And then we have a puzzle bag here. 156k is the sale price. So again, the color is orange and the hardware is also the same color, which again, I'm a little bit afraid because I would want to keep my bags pristine condition. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So I would love to hear from you among the wide selection of sale bags from Loewe. Which ones are your favorite? Please do comment down below. There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today, guys? So guys, if you haven't been to the sale, make sure you check them right away. So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, please leave a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!